In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys 3 best soaps that are going to give you a brighter, glowing skin on your face. And if you have been using various soaps and you're not getting the good result on your face, maybe they work on your body, but on your face you don't really like the soaps, these are very perfect soaps that are going to give you a good result. So stick around to the end of the video to get to choose which of the soap fits your skin concerns. So the first one on my list is this Hawaii carrot soap. This is one of that affordable soap, and this soap gives a lighter visible result. When you want that soap to lighten up your face, especially those of you that have a darker face and a brighter body, this soap is going to lighten up your face really fast. And one thing about this soap, it is also an exfoliating soap. So when you're using it on your face, it's going to be gently exfoliating your skin. Though this is not like other exfoliating soap that you don't have to use every single day. This one, you can actually use it every single day and not get any dryness from it. And this soap is even super moisturizing. It helps a lot with dullness on your skin. For those of you that your face is not shining, your face is just there, anything you apply on your skin, especially on your face, you just seem as if you are not seeing results with your other skincare routine, just use this Hawaii soap on your face. You are going to see a brighter, radiant shade on your skin. So the next soap on my list is this Alpha Arbutin soap. I have talked about this soap before. This is a very good, massive brightening soap. It's going to give you a glowy skin. Another thing is that this soap is also going to help you with discoloration on your face. If you know you have dark spots or darker patches on your skin, you have sunburn, this soap is going to gradually help to even out your skin and give you one radiant complexion. And if you also want to use that soap that is going to help you with your pimples, if you have pimples on your face, this Alpha Arbutin is also going to work perfectly well for your skin concerns. You have to be consistent with all these soaps that I'm talking about because these soaps are not bleaching soap. Over time, you're going to see a very good result with it. So if you want the skin on your face to lighten up, to rhyme with your body, if you also have a darker body, this soap is going to be a perfect choice for you because it's going to help to even out your skin. Even for darker neck, this soap is also going to help you a lot by evening out your skin together. So the next soap on my list is the Extract soap. This is one of that amazing brightening soap that helps to elevate your skin, especially on your face. If you know you have a darker face and a dry face, that's one thing I love about this soap. If you know your face is very dry, when you apply skincare products, you do all your skincare, your skin is not still shiny, your skin is not still glowing, the Extract soap will give you a glowy, radiant skin. It's going to remove all dullness from your skin, help with your dry skin, and make your skin to be super moisturized. That's one thing I just love about this Extract soap. When I was even using it, I wasn't concerned about the brightening. I was so concerned about how it was making my skin very soft, very moisturized all through the day. This soap also have a foreign made and a Nigerian made. For those of us that live in Nigeria, the foreign made is the one I used and which I also know gives a better result. For you to easily differentiate it, the one that has an Arabic writing in it is the Nigerian made, while the one that doesn't have any Arabic writing at the front is the one that is foreign and which gives a very good result. It smells amazing for those of you that are concerned about a nice scent in bath soaps, and it's also going to brighten your face really, really well. If you also have pimples on your face and you want that good soap that is going to clear those pimples from your face alongside with other skincare products you'll be using, the Extract soap is very perfect for it. It's going to help to clear pimples from your skin, give you a very smooth face. When you're using this soap, honestly, you're going to love your skin. It's going to really brighten and lighten your skin very well and give your skin that radiant, glowing skin without dullness. You cannot be using this soap and your skin is dull. So these soaps actually give a better result. These 3 soap here, anyone you decide to choose at the end of the day, you're going to love the effect on your face. So that brings us to the end of the video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please subscribe to see you in my next video.